Okay, we're bouncing around. We just got off Lonesome Dove Trail again. I think we're back into what they call Deep Creek. We started up on a rim trail called Sidewinder, right off the Park Road Trail. We did. We're at Merus Adventure Park, by the way. So we did the test track and got kind of sideways and twisty and flexy to kind of see what these 38-inch tires would do. They're rubbing, but not nearly as bad as I thought they were. Kevin's 35s are probably rubbing on his as bad as I am on mine, so it isn't terrible. The Deep Creek Trail is just kind of rocky. We were hoping there'd be some ledges to climb. We're actually going downstream, so we thought there'd be something to drop down, but it's mainly sand with just boulders in it, so it's just kind of slow going. We're just kind of crawling around. Super terrain. It's just absolutely beautiful out here. But we had to do a trail called the Drop In, which is different than the Drop Zone. The Drop Zone trail is pretty gnarly, and basically both of those trails are dropping you into Paladuro Canyon. For those who don't know, Paladuro Canyon is the second largest canyon in the United States. It's located in the Panhandle of Texas, just south of Amarillo. And Merus Adventures bought this ranch, which is part of Paladuro Canyon. Up the road is Paladuro State Park, which just has a little bit of the space of the canyon at the state park, and it's pretty good size. This ranch is somewhere around 5,500 acres, but because of the terrain slopes, there's actually 7,500 acres here. It's kind of hard to explain, but we're actually riding on 3 layers of trails. We're down in the creek now at the bottom of the canyon, and there's a big rim trail, and then at the very top there's a trail. So it's proven to be pretty cool. We've wheeled 3.5 hours today. We got here. It's about 5 hours from Fort Worth. We stopped at 8 and then got gas a couple times, so we turned it into a 6-hour trip, and then we had to unload and air down, and then we had to go in and learn all about it and ask a bunch of questions. So this is our first experience at this park, but it's turned out to be pretty dang cool. Hopefully we'll get some pictures, and we're getting ready to get us some spicy stuff now. We're starting to drop down some ledges, so more to follow.